Having problem using Uber app? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I'm Anna here to guide you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open up your Play Store and then search Uber. Now here you need to make sure that your Uber is up to date. Sometimes even bug may create a problem while using the app, and again if you can't fix the issue even after updating, all you need to do is simply uninstall your Uber app. Click on the option of uninstall. Now as you can see, the Uber app has been successfully installed, and then here again you have to go to the Play Store and then search for Uber app. Now here you need to again install the Uber app in order to make it work successfully and without any errors. So after the Uber app gets successfully installed, you can see that there is no problem while using the Uber app. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing up until next time.